Hey friends, if you encounter the error Windows cannot load the device driver for this hardware code 39, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update the driver. How would you update a driver? Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now expand the list of drivers which you wish to update. Right click on it, select update driver and click on search automatically for driver. But here's one thing, there is a solution mentioned on the original Microsoft website, and that is to reinstall the driver and scan for hardware changes. So right click on it, select uninstall device once again, then click on action, click on scan for hardware changes, and this should usually fix the problem. But if it doesn't, then press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic and hit enter, and then click on next, and it will start detecting problems. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.